The noble Bramble. It's sweet, it's tart and cool. It conjures up memories of my idyllic childhood spending time in the English countryside, foraging blackberries from piss-stench hedgerows and finding porno magazines strewn in the branches nearby. Here are the ingredients we're using today. The Bramble was made by the legendary British bartender Dick Bradsell in the 1980s. With this cocktail, we're going to be using crushed ice, so make sure you have a Lewis bag and a mallet. To make the crushed ice, place plenty of ice cubes in the Lewis bag and fold. It's so tempting to hit the Lewis bag with so much velocity and force, like you're smashing James Corden round the face. But give it some steady hits, as the ice has a tendency to create a fine powder, and it makes it look like Tony Montana's been in your kitchen. In the shaker add 2 ounces of gin, 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice, half an ounce of simple syrup, add ice to the shaker and shake for 10 to 15 seconds. Now to assemble, fill up your glass 3/4 full of crushed ice. Make sure you get it into the glass unlike I did here. Pour in the cocktail from the shaker. Now top up the glass of crushed ice, making a snow cone. Add half an ounce of Creme De Mure and drizzle this over the top of the ice. Just go steady with a jigger, as this stuff has a habit of pissing everywhere if you're not steady. Garnish with a lemon wheel and a single blackberry. Give the subscribe button a good dry slap, and most of all enjoy. Have a couple more and behave yourselves.